You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. Let's break down once and for all how to pronounce this name of Canadian-American actor and physician. If you want to learn more confusing names from the history of science, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. James. I've heard videos saying it as Naismith. I believe that's incorrect. James Naismith. Naismith is how to pronounce his name. James Naismith. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.